2025 Toyota Crown Signia, midsize SUV that goes its way. The second addition to the Crown family in the US replaces the Venza, which boasts a 5-seat layout and a sophisticated touch. The two-row midsize SUV is the production version of the Crown Estate prototype that Toyota introduced in 2022 and is expected to keep the same name in Japan. However, for the North American market, they are introducing the flashier Crown Signia nameplate, hoping to highlight that it will offer a more luxurious experience compared to other Toyota models, while also avoiding the stigma that comes with wagons on this side of the Atlantic. Signia carries forward the design language that defines the entire Crown family, including EV-inspired styling cues, signature, hammerhead, front end, smooth lines and slim, full-width LED taillights. Its relatively short overhangs and fairly low roofline give it a sportier appearance compared to typical SUVs. In fact, were it not for the upgraded ride and some ruggedized trimmings, the Signia might have embraced the role of a stylish wagon, but unfortunately, we can blame America's enduring obsession with trucks and SUVs for this missed opportunity. While Toyota has yet to release specific dimensions for the US spec Crown Signia, they are expected to be close to the dimensions of the original Crown Estate prototype, which measured 194.1 inches, 4,930 millimeters long and 74 inches, 1,880 millimeters wide and 63.8 inches, 1,620 millimeters tall. This would make the Crown Signia slightly smaller than the Highlander. Inside, the dashboard is very similar to that of the Crown crossover and includes a matching 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch infotainment screen. This system is compatible with over-the-air (OTA) updates and offers connected services. The 5-seat layout provides ample room for rear passengers, and the rear bench seat can fold flat to create a 6.5-foot, 1,981 millimeters wide cargo area. 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, midsize SUV that goes its way. You can choose between two interior hues, saddle tan or black, both accented with bronze accents. In addition to interior options, Crown Signia offers 5 different exterior color options: storm cloud, finish line red, oxygen white, black and bronze age. Depending on the trim level, the SUV is offered with 19-inch or 21-inch wheels. Toyota has confirmed that the Japanese version of the SUV will be available in both hybrid, HEV, and plug-in hybrid, PHEV, versions, but only the former will reach North American shores. Like many other Toyota models, the self-charging hybrid system features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with dual electric motors. This configuration results in a combined output of 243 horsepower, 181 kilowatts/246 PS, which is transmitted to all 4 wheels via an ECVT, electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, with the help of the standard electronic on-demand AWD system. Although Toyota hasn't revealed the exact capacity of the battery pack, the Crown Signia has an EV mode designed for emissions-free driving at low speeds and short distances. This mode complements the normal, eco and sport driving modes. According to Toyota, the Crown Signia is estimated to have a combined fuel rating of 36 mpg, 6.5 L/100 km, and a towing capacity of up to 2,700 pounds, 1,225 kilograms. 2025 Toyota Crown Signia will be available in 2 equipment options. The base, a wireless charger and 5 USB ports. The flagship limited trim, meanwhile, gets 21-inch alloy wheels finished in dark gray, heated and ventilated leather-trimmed seats in the front and heated in the rear, an upgraded 11-speaker JBL premium audio system. Both versions come standard with 8 airbags and the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 ADAS package. Additionally, The optional advanced technology package adds a panoramic view monitor for a better view of the surroundings, as well as more advanced systems such as traffic jam assist and lane change assist, which offer semi-autonomous driving. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is scheduled to arrive at U.S. dealers in summer 2024. Pricing details will be announced closer to the launch date, but we suspect it will be positioned at a higher price point compared to the regular Crown crossover. It starts at $40,050. It's worth noting that Toyota's Crown lineup in Japan is even more extensive, including additional models such as the smaller Crown Sport SUV and the more traditional Crown sedan, neither of which are confirmed for North America.